Hello everyone, welcome back to Live for Loving Nature. For this recipe we need coconuts and water for at least 4 to 6 hours. Take 1 tablespoon of ragi flour in a pan. Dry roast it till it turns warm. Now take 1 cup of water in a vessel. Close the lid, let the water boil. Now we will prepare elaichi powder. Take elaichi seeds in a hand grinder. Crush the seeds as powder. Now keep the powder aside. In the same grinder, add coconuts. Crush it as small pieces. Now check the water. If it is warm, add dry roasted ragi flour to it. Add the ragi flour little by little and mix it well. Mix it nicely, remove all the lumps. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, check the consistency. Now at this stage, add Jaggery to it. Adjust the taste. Now add Elaichi powder and crushed nuts to it. Mix it well. Now my yummy ragi malt is ready. Oh, I forgot to add fresh coconut to it. Now it is ready. This I like to eat in a cold month. Try it and let us know. See you again in another video. Bye bye.